Most 22-year-olds lose nearly $50,000 before they even realize it. And no, it's not because of bad spending. It happens the moment you get your first paycheck and make one small decision. I'll start investing later. That one delay, that's the mistake. Let's say you earn $3,000 a month. You could invest just $500, but instead you wait just 3 years. Sounds harmless, right? It's not. If you started at 22, investing $500 a month at 7 to 10% annual returns, historical stock market average estimate, by 25, you've invested $18,000. But more importantly, you've bought time in the market. Now compare. Person A starts at 22, person B starts at 25. Same money, same returns, but person B is already behind by $40,000 to $50,000 plus in lost future value. And this gap only gets worse over time. This happens because of one thing: compounding. Money doesn't grow linearly. It grows exponentially, which means early money does the heavy lifting. Late money struggles to catch up. Here's the part most people underestimate. Someone who invests early for 10 years and then stops can still end up with more money than someone who starts late and invests consistently for longer. Time beats effort in investing. So your first paycheck, it's not small. It's the most powerful money you'll ever earn. Because every month you delay, you're not losing $500. You're losing what that $500 could have become. Start small, start now. Because the biggest financial mistake at 22 is not investing at all.